In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bonus on Gusto. If you need to add a bonus for an employee, Gusto makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and make sure the bonus is entered correctly before payroll is submitted. To begin, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an admin profile with permission to manage employee pay and payroll settings, since some options may not appear for users with limited access. Once you're signed in, go to the left sidebar and click People. This is where you can view and manage employee profiles. From there, select the employee you want to pay a bonus to. Be sure you open the correct employee record, especially if you're working through multiple updates at once. After you open the employee's profile, click the Pay tab. This section contains the employee's compensation details, including any extra earnings you may want to add. Look for the Additional Earnings section, and then click Add. When the earning type options appear, choose Bonus. This tells Gusto that the extra payment should be categorized as a bonus rather than regular wages or another type of earning. Using the correct earning type is important for accurate payroll records and reporting. Next, enter the bonus amount. You may also be asked to fill in required details, such as a description or the effective pay period. Take a moment here to review the information carefully. A clear description can be helpful for your own records, and selecting the right pay period ensures the bonus is included when you expect it to be. Once everything looks correct, review the bonus information and click Save. Saving confirms the bonus entry on the employee's pay setup, so it can be pulled into payroll. After that, decide how you want to pay the bonus. You can run your next regular payroll if you want the bonus included with the employee's normal paycheck. If you want to pay the bonus separately, click Run Off-Cycle Payroll instead. This option is useful when the bonus needs to go out sooner or when you want it processed independently from the standard pay run. Before finishing, review the payroll summary carefully. Double-check the bonus amount, the employee, and the payroll timing to avoid mistakes. When everything is accurate, submit payroll, and that's it. You've successfully added and processed a bonus in Gusto. Thanks for watching.